Many of us just don't have the time or motivation to work out in a gym every day. So if you fall into this case, I'd highly recommend a portable home gym. You're not going to be lifting heavy weights like with a home gym, but you can still get a great workout from this type of gym equipment. There are many products available to choose portable home gym, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best portable home gym from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Oyo Personal Gym, Full Body Portable Gym. This home gym includes 3 flex packs, 1 with a 5 pounds resistance and 2 with 10 pounds resistance. The Oyo Gym's SpearFlex resistance technology has been used for over 10 years on the International Space Station to keep astronauts fit. A NASA ground study proves SpearFlex increased muscle growth as much as using free weights. It also includes door and leg anchors, workout videos, and a nutrition guide. It has no bulky equipment or complicated preparation, making it an excellent accessory to take with you everywhere you go. The hand grips are comfortable, and the steel cables are coated with stainless steel to provide maximum durability. Just keep in mind that there's no way to increase the resistance, so it's more appropriate for beginners and some intermediate users. Number 2. INNSTAR Resistance Bands Bar Exercise Bands. If you're serious about your workouts, this is the best option to consider. It is appropriate for beginners, advanced users, and even professional bodybuilders. You can choose band resistance according to your fitness level with a color code. You also get plenty of accessories that you can use in different ways to build your own workouts, including an innovative bench press resistance band with its own training bar. There are basically 3 modes of training: bench press device training, resistance training, and door anchor training, each one with several exercises for each muscle group. This resistance band set could help you finish most exercises you want at any place without going to gym, perfect for full body exercise such as squat, curl, bench press, arm training, seated rows, and more. Come with professional workout manual which contains 40 different kinds exercises guidance. Your perfect home fitness equipment. Number 3. Stealth Core Trainer. You might not need a complete home gym to increase your physical activity levels, as the Stealth Core Trainer can help you do just that while you're having fun. Not only does it have a dynamic planking platform with a 360 degrees micro movement sphere and comfortable arm pads, but it also syncs with an app on your smartphone. The app includes 4 free games and even tracks your daily progress, comparing you with either your family and friends or worldwide leaderboard. Number 4. Jimwell Portable Home Gym. With this portable home gym, you'll be able to train all your major muscle groups, including your chest, back, shoulders, arms, legs, and abdominal muscles. It doesn't have a platform, but includes a series of resistance bands, a foldable bar, 2 handles, and 2 ankle straps. Tension levels range from 30 to 120 pounds, and you can choose between 70 exercise ideas available in video format. However, keep in mind, you will need to go through a learning curve before starting to feel fully comfortable with it. Number 5. Conex Portable Home Gym Workout Equipment. If you're impressed with the versatility and exceptional design of the Body Boss model, this one will pique your interest as well. It provides even more accessories which include not only the base, resistance bands, handles, and straps, but also an ab roller, push-up handlebars, and versatile 3-section bar. Conex training base is used with various workout equipment attachments. Post landmine sleeve, push-up handlebar, ab roller 3-section bar, and 30 pounds 50 pounds resistance bands, which can fulfill most of your workout needs for the bulky equipment and machines in the gym. Conex Portable Gym makes fitness more affordable and lived anywhere. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.